Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Let's have a look at the markets. Let's have a look here at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. What do we have today? What can we expect for tomorrow, Friday, October 20th? For the record, today is Thursday, October 19th. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. For the other indices I cover, I also made a higher time frame analysis. I will not do this for the Dow Jones because the reason is, depending on what we get right here, the higher time frame analysis has to change, and it's not sure yet if we will get it. So I just don't want to switch the higher time frame every week. So if you want to see a higher time frame analysis, please have a look at the video of last week. But if this is playing out what I'm showing here, it means that the higher time frame analysis I had before is or will be invalidated. So far, it's not invalidated, but excuse me, it can be invalidated. So I think we are working here on a corrective move, and I think this is a WXY structure which is unfolding here, and that would mean that the wave 2 low is not in right here. So the low could be in right here after an ABC structure, but with what I'm seeing right here, for me, this is corrective price action. I think this is a wave X, which is playing out. So that means that the impulse has not started from here. And if we do not have an impulse, we have corrective price action. And if we have corrective price action, it means that this structure here is not complete yet. And then the way to go would be wave W, wave X, and then another 3 waves down. So now if we look at this structure here, this area, so here we have a low, and then we are supposed to go here into the area between, or that we can find by taking the length of the wave W. And then we should go here into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So the way to go there, in my opinion, is a WXY structure, but then this low should hold right here. If we go to the 1 hour, so here you can see the WXY structure. So here we had the wave X low. This can be a wave A up. We came down as a wave B. For the moment, we got out of the wave B area, as you can see, but the real invalidation level here is, of course, this low. If we take out this low, then the scenario in green gets invalidated, but that does not mean that the wave X scenario gets invalidated. What can happen then is that we are having a wave A right here, wave B down, and then a wave C up as this wave X. So let's see if we take it out or not. We are getting quite close. That's for sure, but that does not invalidate the wave X scenario. Only taking out this low would mean that the wave X scenario is not playing out, and then then it is definitely bearish. Then we have to consider more bearish scenarios. So for the moment, also today, yeah, worthless price action. I would say, look what we are doing. Of course, this has to do with the speech of Powell, but yeah, I mean, you cannot really analyze this. So for the moment, I would just stick to these two scenarios, the WXY right here. If this low holds, if this scenario gets invalidated by breaking the low, then in first instance I would look here at the A, B, C scenario. And yeah, I believe that's it for now. I think we just have to wait for better data. There's not really much to do or to forecast. These are the only two scenarios that or the only two plausible scenarios in the short term, I would say. Okay, that's my analysis for Friday, October 20th. Then I see you back on Monday for another analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.